not to undertake any commercial activity or operation of the demise premises other than those which are hereby declared to be specifically excluded from said or from that prohibition.
Right.
And the prohibition
now, hold on.
is to undertake
There's
any
a comma
commercial
after prohibition.
activity.
Hold on.
Right.
Hold on. And what is prohibited from being excluded?
To wit.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
So
the establishment...
No, hold on, Colin, you're going too fast.
They have specified those that are not excluded. That's what the to wit means.
That's right. That's what I'm saying.
That was Attache to the Prime Minister Norbert Williams, calling in to the popular Radio 100 show Let's Talk Law to quote from the 1983 Pigeon Island lease agreement to substantiate his claims that the trust was unlawfully charging admission to the park where a beach is also located. However, the hosts of the show, veteran lawyers Veronica Bernard and Andy George, were quick to set the record straight. George, a former president of the Bar Association and a respected trial attorney, underscored that the law of the land governing the trust supersedes any lease agreement.
Andy, I'm sure you're very well aware that the date of the implementation of any act has a lot to do with its application.
You know,
you're playing clever.
You know, sometimes, the National Trust Act, okay, first came into being
1975.
in 1975.
Yes, okay, so that's what you're referring to.
The act,
right.
The laws of St. Lucia,
yes, that
are printed as of the revised laws of St. Lucia 2015.
Right.
Now, the governing law with regard to the National Trust is Cap 6.08 of the revised laws of St. Lucia. Okay? Right?
Are you there?
I'm listening. I'm here.
Right.
I'm listening.
So, tell me what you want to say. Which is the governing law? That's what I want to know. Don't they have the authority under the governing law to charge a fee?
In a previous interview with News Force, Director of the St. Lucia National Trust, Bishnu Tulsi, was adamant that the bylaws of the trust gave the trust the authority to charge a fee to maintain the park.
The Pigeon Island bylaws, which is a law passed by government, says that we could do that. The lease agreement we have with Rodney Bay Limited says that we need to do certain things within Pigeon Island. It lists the whole the things that we can and cannot do.
However, critics, including well-known show hosts and commentators in UWP media circles who labeled Tulsi a partisan political operative, sided with Norbert Williams in a relentless attack on the trust over the issue for weeks.
Well, case closed.
No, what do you mean case closed?
I don't see your point. The issue was whether or not they have the authority to charge a fee and whether that fee can be applied to persons who want to access the beach.
Okay, so what are you referring to? Because I didn't get the entire show. So you're referring to something.
Commencement of bylaw 11th of September 1982. Number 4, entrance fee to park. It says a charge may be made for entrance into the park and at such entrance fee as the council may determine. A person shall not enter the park or remain thereon without having paid the entrance fee so chargeable unless he or she has special permission.
Despite the best efforts of the trained lawyer who researched the issue, Williams continued to attempt to justify his argument.
But the trust, in signing the agreement in 1983, agreed to certain conditions.
Scholar, the law existed at the time. So if the lease is in breach of the law, it cannot stand.
Okay.
The law must stand.
Pigeon Island was bought in 2000 by the then Prime Minister Dr. Kenny Anthony-led SLP administration and belongs to the people of St. Lucia. A change of ownership ceremony was held on Emancipation Day, August 1st, 2000, in commemoration of the 166th anniversary of the abolition of slavery. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.